Here you go.
Moose.
You are even on you paying off that hot cost.
Moose, what are you doing to your own bed?
Get that the hell out of his house. What's the matter with you? Maybe you should
Moose.
say for your son, if he can remember.
Moose.
Man, I speak to Lindsay
Moose.
once about stupid hippie parenting, and
What are you doing to the bed?
all I know has been going on forever. You know, he's been stressed.
Moose.
His eyes have been red. His grades are dropping.
Heard about the A-.
All right, I'm gonna go find out what's going on. Hey, what you doing?
Nothing.
No? So, listen, your Uncle Joe seems to think that he saw you down at the docks today. Was that you?
No.
Moose.
Maybe it was the other George Michael. You know,
He's
the
like
singer
made this.
songwriter.
He like figured out a system. He folds aside and then he goes at
What did
it.
you do with the,
Oh my God! Look at him.
return I gave you to go have fun with?
I put that in my savings account. Yeah. Save up.
Moose.
Okay. Thanks for being honest.
He's lying to me. Can you believe that? Where the hell is his family's mom?
Moose, we're gonna get you neutered.
I don't know. What? He's cold.
Mooser.
So what do I do now? If I confront him, he's just gonna lie to me again. Should I yell at him?
Didn't Dad teach us that we don't yell in this family?
Yeah, yelling's not a good way to go.
Moose.
I got a better idea.
I want to teach George some